Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to solve linear equations using substitution method. Here we have two equations. The first one is 3x plus 2y equals negative 4 and the second is 2x minus y equals negative 12. Let's name the two equations as number 1 and equation number 2. To solve the linear equation using the substitution method, we find the value of the variable in terms of the other variable and constant from one of the equations and will substitute that value to the other equation and then solve the equation to find the value of both the variables. So by looking at our equations here, we see that in equation number 2, there is a y variable which is without any constant. So it will be easy for us to find the value of y and substitute in equation 1. We can even find the value of y from any of the equations, but as equation 2 seems simpler, so we'll use equation 2 and we'll find the value of y from equation 2. Start by finding the value of variable y from equation 2. From equation 2, which is 2x minus y equals negative 12, we'll get negative y equals negative 12 minus 2x, because we transpose this 2x on the right hand side. Now as y is negative here, we can multiply by minus 1 to make y positive. So multiplying both sides by negative 1. So this will be minus y times negative 1 equals negative 1 times minus 12 minus 2x. So minus y times minus 1 will be y equals this negative 1 times negative 12 will be 12 minus, and this negative 2x times negative 1 will be plus 2x. So y will be equal to, let's write the x variable first, 2x plus 12. So this is the value of y. This is our equation number 3. And this to substitute in equation number 1. We got the value of y equals 2x plus 12 from equation 2. Now this value of y we'll put in equation 1 to find the value of x. Let's substitute the value of y in equation 1. So substituting the value of y from equation 3 to equation 1. So our equation 1 is 3x plus 2y equals negative 4. This is our equation 1. So we can write it as 3x plus 2 times, instead of y, we are going to put this value which is 2x plus 12. 2x plus 12 equals negative 4. Let's solve it further. So this is solve it further. So this is 3x plus 2 times 2x will be 4x plus 2 times 12 will be 24 equals negative 4. And 3x plus 4x will be 7x plus 24 equals negative 4. So we need to get rid of 24 from here. So we'll subtract 24 from both sides. So subtracting. So this will be 7x plus 24 minus 24 equals minus 4 minus 24. So this will be cancelled. Here we will have 7x on the left hand side and negative 4, negative 24. So this will be negative and negative, So we are going to add the two numbers with a negative sign. So this will be negative 28. 4 plus 24 is 28. Or to find the value of x, we'll divide both sides by 7. This will be 7x divided by 7 equals negative 28 divided by 7. Or x equals 7 times 1 and 7 times 4. So this will be negative 4. So the value of x is negative 4. So we got the value of x, and we can find the value of y by putting the value of x in any of the equations. So putting x equals negative 4 in equation 3. So y equals, equation 3 is y equals 2x plus 12. 2x plus 12. So y equals 2 times x is negative 4 plus 12. Y equals 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 plus 12. So this is 12 minus 8. So y equals 4. So we got the value of x equals negative 4 and y equals 4. So let's write our final answer. The value of x is negative 4 and the value of y is 4 respectively. So this is our final answer. We are going to box the answer, and this is how we solve linear equations in two variable using the substitution method. Let's take a look at the solution once again. So let's take a look at the solution once again. So let's take a look at the solution. Once again. Here by using the solving the linear equation by substitution method, we find the value of one of the variables from any of the equations. Here we find out the value of y, and we'll substitute the value of that variable in any of the equations, and we'll solve and find the value of the other variable, and then we can put this value in any of the equations to find the value of both the variables. So this is how we solve these kind of equations by substitution method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.